Guess what I just got? Are my two favorite palettes. And now I got this. Oh, I can't wait to try. Look how gorgeous it is. Ooh, this is so pretty. I can't wait. Let's make a look. So I just prepped my eyes with the Mario Eye Prep and Set in Light. I'm going to start off with Sage. And if you watch my videos, then you might have thought that I would have went with the pinks. Today, we're going to go for the blue. And I'm just going to put that shade as my crease shade. We're going to go into Lucy with a fluffy blush and going to use that to blend out this. And I have to say, as usual, they are super easy to apply and easy to build. Go into Evergreen, popping that into the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it up into the crease. And I'm noticing that the shades are not like intensely pigmented like this Evergreen. Like I had to do like 2 layers of this to get this type of shade, which is perfectly fine, especially if you are someone that is newer. Going from lighter to building your color up is probably going to be the best way to do it, because that way you're not dealing with intense color right away. And I actually like it because sometimes I'm not wanting an intense color, but I like that color, but not so intensely. You get what I mean? I'm just taking the fluffy brush I used before and blending it all together. Which shade should I go for? This one. So gorgeous! I love her shimmers. They are the best. You gotta add flutter. Use Belle in the lower lash line.